Hey everyone, this is Akil. So earlier today, Apple announced iOS 13 at WWDC, and one of the big features that was announced was the introduction of a system-wide dark mode. Now obviously with this update, all of us iOS developers want to make sure our applications are going to be compatible with the system-wide dark mode. And so today I just wanted to go over just 3 ways to make sure that your app works with the new dark mode in iOS 13. So here I have the Xcode 11 beta that just got released earlier today. And here's just a really simple example application. It's 3 labels with background colors and text colors. And so currently in the light mode, these are the colors. If I quickly go into the settings, switch on the dark mode, head back, you can see that all the colors changed. All the background colors and text colors changed appropriately. And now it looks a lot better in dark mode. So the 3 ways that we can accomplish this, that one corresponding to each label. So the first is to use UI element colors that are determined by the system. So here, for example, we have the text color is set to .label, and the background color is set to secondary system background, and that corresponds to this first label. Now, these bindings automatically update once dark mode is triggered or is switched off, and it automatically updates the UI as well. So that's the first one. And there are many other UI element types that you can use for colors, all available in the documentation. The second way to do this would be to use a newly introduced adaptable colors in iOS 13. So there's a color palette which Apple has introduced for UI color, and these are essentially named system color. So for example, .system orange and .system brown. There's other ones. The full list includes a system blue, green, pink, indigo, so a bunch of different colors. And each of these system colors actually have 2 versions, a lighter and a darker version. The lighter version is meant for when your phone's on light theme, and the darker version for when dark mode is enabled. So again, these are described and these are prescribed at the system level. So if you just set the colors to be these, they automatically update once the system dark mode is turned on or off. So that's the second way we can deal with dark mode in our apps. Now obviously these 2 ways thus far are quite limiting in terms of the colors you can use. So what if you want to go all out and use some custom colors and have full control over your light and dark themes? So that's where the third way comes in. And this uses custom color assets that you define in your app. So for example, here we have the text color set to this custom UI color asset, custom text color, and then same thing here, custom background color. So here, these 2 custom assets are defined in our assets folder. You can see them right here. And for each of these, the way you can create them is just right click, say new color set, and you'll get this. You'll also want to make sure on the panel here under appearances to have all 3 marked, or by default it's set to none. Make sure all 3 of these are marked. And this allows you to really set what each of these custom color assets should be in each of the modes. So obviously light is when the dark mode switches off, dark when dark mode is enabled. And any appearance is really a backwards compatibility thing to make sure for any phones before iOS 13, before dark mode is introduced, this will just be the color that's automatically used. So a lot of times you will probably want to make this the same as the light appearance, for example. So those are 3 simple ways that you can use to make sure your app's colors work with the new iOS 13 dark mode. Thanks for watching.